we have covered the two topics of the motion under gravity. Today we have the last topic, that is the projectile motion on inclined plane. Let us consider an inclined plane AC which makes an angle alpha with the AB horizontal line, and the projectile is thrown with an angle beta with the horizontal line. Now let us consider the initial velocity of the projectile is u. Now here the angle, this angle total is beta, this is alpha, so this angle should be beta minus alpha. Now here the acceleration due to gravity actually acting in that direction, that is g. We have to calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the inclined plane. If this is alpha, that should be alpha, and the acting acceleration due to gravity is g cos alpha. Now the u is the initial velocity of the projectile. Now we have the two components along the AC or along the AY dashed. We have u cos of beta minus alpha, and that is u sine of beta minus alpha. Okay, u is the velocity and the angle making with the AC is beta minus alpha, so the component along the AC is u cos of beta minus alpha, and along the AY dashed is u sine of beta minus alpha. Now first we have to find the maximum height. The maximum height is the maximum height. What is the maximum height? This is the maximum height. How to find it? We apply the formula v square equals to u square minus 2gh. At the utmost point, its velocity, vertical velocity is 0. So we write 0 square, that is equals to. Now the vertical initial velocity is u sine of beta minus alpha. So v square equals to u square sine square beta minus alpha, minus 2g. Here g is g cos alpha, and the maximum height is h. So here we have 2g cos alpha into h is equals to u square sine square beta minus alpha. So here h is equals to u square sine square beta minus alpha by 2g cos alpha, which is the maximum height of the projectile on the inclined plane. Now move to the next topic. Next topic is the time of flight. Time of flight. How to find the time of flight? We know the formula v equals to u minus gt. Here v should be 0 at the topmost point, and u is u sine of beta minus alpha minus gt. Here g is g cos alpha, that is g cos alpha into t. So we have, that is implies g cos alpha into t equals to u sine of beta minus alpha. So t is equals to u sine of beta minus alpha by g cos alpha. Now what is the time of flight? Time of flight is caps t, that is equals to 2t. We have 2u sine of beta minus alpha by g cos alpha. What is the time of flight? Now we have to find the range of the projectile. The range of the projectile is the velocity is u, and we have to find the horizontal distance from the actual point of projection of that object, that is the point A. So we have to find AB. So for that, use the velocity and the resolution of u we get along the AB, making beta angle, that is u cos beta. So u cos beta is the uniform velocity along the AB, right student? Now let's move. R, that is the range AB, is equals to u cos beta into total time of flight, that is t. So from here, u cos beta into t is 2u sine of beta minus alpha by g cos alpha. So you have 2u square cos beta into sine of beta minus alpha by g cos alpha. That is the range of the projectile which is projected on the inclined plane. Right, student? That is all from the projectile motion. It was the third topic of the motion under gravity.